Alright, we got the top two deals at the Lowe's, and then we got some clearance and some buy one get one free. So don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can make more to review videos. So you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the clearance section. Yes, $150 down from $299. This is a mower. This is a bare bones mower. It's a Boland's mower. We got a edger here. This is 140cc gas. The Craftsman, this one's down to $319, down from $399. 140cc, so pretty nice. Alright, so if you guys want to do your carne asada, you can put this fire pit to work, and it's on clearance. You got $245 down from $270. And then you got this pressure washer. This is from the Craftsman's. This is 1900 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. Does include some bits there. You guys could store them. $89 down from $179. My guess is probably just a return. Another return here, used or clearance deal, or maybe it could be just from the store. $169, not too bad on that one. It's bare bones Craftsman. All right, so you $149 down from $199. It's trimmer from Eagle. This is the kit. This one's $199, 56 volt battery included. All right, so that's it right there. And then we have $179 for the Eagle 615 CFM, 170 mile per hour, 2.5. There's so much stuff in there. $349 down from $399. You got the 18-inch brushless 5 amp hour chainsaw, or with the 5 amp hour battery. That's the 18-inch right there. And then you got this one. This one's a 16-inch. This one's the smaller one. It is $249. Battery and charger included as well. Not too bad. $149 for the weed whacker. From the Cobalt, 40 volt, 15-inch straight shaft. I really like the straight shaft, but it's just easier to handle instead of the curve. You got $229 for this one. $119 for the 14-inch straight shaft, 40 volts. You got the Power Core 40. This one's a $249 down from $349. It is a 20-inch mower. Probably one of the cheapest out there. All right, we got some clearance here. This is $43 down from $109. It's an add-on blower thing or attachment. All right, so this one's the newer power supply. This is 1800 watts, 3500 peak. And it is compatible with the 40 volt Cobalt. All right, we got a generator here. This one's 3,300 watts. Single fuel. This was $7.99. I believe it's one of the ones that it's up here. You got the foam cannon, 20% more foam, Greenworks. Who knows if this actually works, but it is $33 and $39 down from $39. Got another one here, $63 on clearance, Surface Max. I personally just like to go over to Amazon. And yes, I'm saying Amazon even if we're doing a Lowe's video, because for those foam cannons, you can get it cheaper at Amazon, and they do work. I have a couple of videos of those Chinesium foam cannons, and they actually work pretty good. Briggs & Stratton, you got 1800 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute, $119 from the Craftsman's. All right, so you got $38 now from $159, one cord pole saw. This one they sold out on it. You got the clearance appliances. Make sure always check out the clearance appliances. There's, big discounts on those. Sometimes you can get them for like $100. It just depends on where you're at. This is the clearance section. Not a whole lot of clearance on power tools. You got a Kawasaki air filter, $23. And then you got some more blades. Craftsman or Greenworks Cobalt 21-inch. You guys know who's making Greenworks, right? Or Cobalt. Greenworks. $16 for that one. And then you got some floor mats or floor protectors from Armorall. These are $25 off from $27. Wait, I'll just wait until they go cheaper. And guess what, guys? Somebody stole one of the wrenches here, but it's still $44 off from $79. So really nice wrenches, but somebody jacked it. So it is what it is. DeWalt. These are powered or powder activated nails. Just depends on what you need. 46-inch Craftsman, $16.97. Some more blades. Craftsman 54-inch, $21. The 21-inch 6-in-1 blade, $8. All right, on to the compressors. We got some DeWalt's here. And then we got a bigger one here to the right, 15-gallon. And a smaller one here. All right, so the smaller one, it is $3.99. They're from $4.39. Then this one's $4.39. They're from $4.79 for the 15-gallon. Just depends on what you need. You got a twin stack. Quiet's 80% quieter. This one's 2-gallon portable for $159. What was $179. You got a 4.3-gallon quiet for $219. And then you got an air tank, 65 down from 82. And then you got a pass load 16-gauge nailer, 159 down from 170. It is a 2.5 finish, 16-gauge. 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, 119. These are pneumatic, I believe. Brad nailer, $99. They're from 139. 21-degree framing, 3.5 metabo, 159. Down from 209. Multi-bit screwdriver, 19 down from 29. That's it right there. Pretty nice screwdrivers here with the rubber grips. Then you got the precision there to the right. Not too bad. All right, so then you got the 30-piece DeWalt's. 30 P's to $12.98. You got your choice DeWalt 12-volt power tools. Get a free starter kit. And then you got the Bosch Blaze 165 laser measure. Get a free battery. 3.7 battery Bosch. That one's to the 28th of this month. You got a Bosch 18-volt Pro Factor bare tool. Get a free 8 amp hour battery. And 18-volt bare tool, you get a free 4 amp hour battery starter kit. All right, same thing with Metabo HPT. You get a 36. You buy a 36 volts battery and charge. You get a free circular saw, multi-volt 6 1/4 circular saw, or the rear handle, whatever you want to get. And then this one's a brad nailer. Get a free starter kit. And they do have some on the other side. Just this side is sold out. All right, I'm gonna leave you guys the audio. All right, that's what it sounds like. These are pretty nice tools. I mean, for the size and for the technology that they offer, the price. These are some solid tools. We're gonna go over some of the other demos that they had. I'll leave you guys the audio to those. But these are $229. This is not bad. This down from $299. It does have the 2 power stack. All right, let's listen to these. Not bad for this little drill. And this one's $159. And the other one is $99. So not bad. I personally do have the 840, so it's one of the better ones out there. $159 will get you a free starter kit. This is an oscillating tool. Remember, these oscillating blades do have that star pattern, easy blade change thing. You got the buy one get one free from the DeWalt's. These are killer deals, guys. I can't tell you guys enough. Buy any tool, get a 2-pack of power stacks. All right, got the 12-gallon, 6 horsepower quiet vacuum for $129 from the DeWalt's. Pretty nice vacuum. You got $79 to the tools on the left, $99 on your choice, any of the ones on the right, including that K-Stack roller toolbox. So pretty nice. All right, another demo here. There's a Power Core 20. These are solid tools. Definitely recommend these guys. I've used some of these in the past, and check out how smooth that is. That's really nice. Really compact, really nice impact driver, brushless. All right, talking about brushless and compact, here you go. You got the buy one, get one free. You select any of the tools on the left, get a free starter kit, including those 3/8 and 1/2 inch impact wrench, circular saw, oscillating tool, 100 reciprocating saw. You got the ratchet, you got the 12 volt and 20 volt lights, the bandsaw, the SDS rotary. All those qualify for that. $698 for the ink saw style. They are not ink saw, but the markers basically for the job site. Exclusive 75 count utility blades, $1198. Retractable utility knife, $598, and then you got a heavy duty shears, $1298. Pretty nice count. Really nice case. And then you got the utility blades. All right, $149 down from $199 for the 4-tool combo kit. I believe those are brushed tools. You see this? You're paying $79 for this. Not worth it too. Yeah, there's just so much out there. You know, there's so much brushless tools. Check out this box, guys. This thing is a beauty, guys. This one's $498. It is a 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workstation. Does have solid wood top. Really, really nice drawers. Really love the color. Self-closing drawers. Nice deep drawers on the bottom. Yeah, really nice. Very nice. A lot nicer compared to that the red one. And it does have the power strip there to the right. Nice handles. Alright, so here to the right we got the 41-inch 7-drawer workstation. I got something similar. I got a 52-inch. I believe I do show one of those in there. So this one's $399 down from $449. Still pretty nice. Check out these clearance deals, guys. These are really nice knee pads. This is a stabilizer knee pad. You got the gel stabilizer knee pad, $31. Check that out. Check out the footprint on that knee pad. That's really nice. Looks like the bottom of my work boot there. And then you got another gel non-marring pads. $19 up from $34. You got a gel fit rocker knee pads, $31. So guys, now is the time. Stock up on those. Those are really good brands. Same thing with these Cobalt. These are actually not bad. Really nice rubber on those. And you got the flex knee pads, the $16 down from $18. Alright, so guys, a lot of you tell me if you guys want a video on this, but for the pack outs, for the flex, for all the modular storage system, this is the wire, this is the cable, the Python master lock. That's what you're going to use to lock them. If you guys want me to make a video on that, let me know that in the comment section. I probably just should make a video. But let us know that in the comment section if you guys want me to make a video. I'll go ahead and make a video about that. Alright, so these are the new accessories for the ToughBuilt modular storage system. This is the tumbler. It is all modular to the boxes. This is the roller holder, and then you got the long tool holder. This was actually pretty nice. These all are modular to those boxes, and they do clip on it basically. Check this out. This is a new compact cooler from the ToughBuilt. You got 119 Stack Tech compact hard cooler. You guys do see pretty nice on the inside. Some nice organizer there for the sandwiches, whatever, for the beers, the Twinkies, whatever you have. You got a 2-shelf system, so you can store some more Twinkies, right? And then so you can chop your carne asada. You can do the surface worktop with the solid wood. There for the ToughBuilt. There you go. You can chop that meat. And then you got some more organizers here. These are low profile half organizers. These are $29.98. You got a rolling toolbox here, $79. This is actually cheaper because they said it was $99 at the other side. So you might want to take a picture of this one. Save yourself $20. $8 down from $8.98. Lufkin Crescent chalk. And then you got 9-inch channel locks, $29 down from $32. Got some mirror woods there for $13 down from $30. These are already sold out. And then some more channel locks here, $15 down from $34.98. Wire cutter. And then these are really nice, guys. I definitely recommend you guys get yourself some wire strippers like this, or some strippers. $19. You got a cutting set, a 21 piece, $19. This is actually pretty good. These blades are usually very expensive, and it does come with a nice case, nice organizer. Even if you don't like those blades, you like to just throw them away and just put your Milwaukee's in there. Still a pretty nice, case to have for the pack out or for whatever you're gonna be putting your oscillating blades. All right, so you got this portable table saw, $549. Not too bad. This one's actually pretty good. All right, guys, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and don't forget to follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, and Facebook. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.